Welcome to my review video on the shower head system that is by Sunrise, and there's going to be three parts to this video. There's going to be showing you all the pieces that come with it, and forgive me for not using the technical terms for each one of them. I'm going to show you the setup, the takedown and setup, and then what it actually looks like. So the first thing you're going to get is these two pieces. These two pieces are for like a stabilized shower head and then a hose. So one of them will be removable. This one will be attached to a hose and you can use it. Like a gooseneck kind of pipe. And you may or may not need all of these accessories depending what you're trying to replace. There's some gloves. This is like the innards. I'll call them the innards of what you need, like the plumber's tape, the screws, extra, I don't know what you call this, plumbing pipe screw. This is like the outer casing, the hot, the cold and the hot. See the H and the C. Some extra accessories to make it look nice. A hose, the innards for the hot and cold, and the valve. I don't think we need that. That's okay for us. And then there's the handle. And then the stationary shower head that I had showed you earlier with a on-off switch to push it over to the hose. And then this is going to hold the hose part. So check out the rest of the video to disassemble what we have and assemble this part as our new shower system. So the first thing you're going to do is disassemble whatever problems you might be having, or if it's a brand new unit, then it's easy to put in the rough-in. We had a problem here. We had dripping, so we're going to replace this whole unit. I hired a plumber to do it all, so I didn't record it because it was kind of weird. But that's what he put inside the unit to fix that from dripping. Then my husband unscrewed, and we did all the assembly for the shower head, which is really cool. My kids loved it. You want to remove the plumber's tape that's existing on any shower head. If it's, again, brand new assembly, then you don't have to remove that kind of thing. But you always want to replace the plumber's tape or include plumber's tape whenever you're assembling any kind of water unit. So my dog loved that we were in the shower. She loves taking a shower. But anyway, we screw the end cap on. And this will be where we put the shower head on, the whole unit, the stabilized unit, onto that pipe. So we assemble that nice and tight, but not too tight that you make it so tight you can't undo it. Now this is secured and protected, so you just have to disassemble the hose. It's to keep those washers in there. If they aren't in there, you stick them in there. So you just take that off. That's just so the pipes don't lose their washer. That washer keeps it from dripping. So you insert washers if you need to, and that's what it should look like. So again, plumber's tape onto the side unit that we're going to put the hose. You screw the hose onto the plumber's tape, and then also onto the shower head handle. And we screw the hose onto the shower head handle as well. So always use that plumber's tape. We attach the unit, and I demonstrate here all the different style style water showers, like pressures, so we can push it up to the shower head. Like we have dogs, so we would clean the dog. She did move, so I didn't get her wet. And then you switch it back when you want to use your regular shower head unit that's stabilized onto the wall. So you can rotate through different types of shower pressures and like how far it goes, and then it can shut itself off. But it's a great shower. I love it. The pressure is good. As you can see, you can rotate the different. Thanks for watching.